So the clean reservoir function should be used anytime that you've had a misprint or any kind of issue. So the first thing you're going to do to access the clean reservoir function is going to select More Functions, then Clean Reservoir. I'm going to select Start and the program will start. It's a 20-second program. What it's doing is it's projecting a full rectangle the size of the build area. In this case, if there is any parts that have fallen off, any small parts that have fallen off of the platform for any reason, then this clean reservoir function will actually cure those parts into a sheet of resin that we're going to remove, similar to using a sticky tape to remove lint or something, and it'll remove those parts. So we'll be sure that we have a clean area for the next print. Okay. So once the clean reservoir function is finished, we're going to go ahead and remove the reservoir and remove that piece that I just referred to. So once the clean reservoir function has completed in the printer, remove the reservoir, and now I'd like to show you what that function has actually accomplished. So if I move the squeegee gently across the resin here, you can see how it's printed a rectangle. So the goal of this now is to find the edge of that rectangle and pull it up with the rubber squeegee carefully. Using a paper towel, you're going to capture any drips. And so now if there was any particles that had fallen off of the platform into the resin, they would have fallen straight down and they would be in this area. And now we would just remove this rectangle and those particles would be in here. And you just go ahead and put this in the trash. And now we know for sure that the reservoir is clean in that area and ready for the next print. To thoroughly clean a reservoir, you need a few items. You need a microfiber towel, or 2 microfiber towels actually, and the 99% isopropyl alcohol. You would just pour a little isopropyl alcohol into the reservoir and just basically go into all of the corners and work the isopropyl alcohol on any residual resin that was left in the reservoir. Once you have completely removed all residue of resin and you're positive that it's completely clean, then I'd recommend getting a dry, clean microfiber towel and just wiping it completely dry. Again, no sharp objects, no paper products, only microfiber towels. Okay. So once you've thoroughly cleaned and dried the reservoir, just visually check it to make sure that there is no alcohol left, no dust or debris or dirt in there, and also make sure that there's no fingerprints or dirt on the bottom of the glass. So give it a really good visual check to make sure that everything is in good condition. Also just hold this from a few different angles and make sure that there's no damage to that silicone Teflon surface.